What's up, fam? Let's get it. Let's get it. Give it a couple minutes, let people join in. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Today was a holiday. Hope y'all got to fall back, relax. Sending the link out to all the Discords and Telegram chat right now. Do we want to get started? Let's get it. Let's get it. Live now. Let's go. Everybody give it one more minute, then we'll hop into it. Make sure y'all put that likes up as y'all come in here. Hope everyone had a great week. We had Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So we had a 4-day weekend. A 4-day weekend. All right, so I'm about to go over SPY. We're gonna go over SPY, then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at SPX, and then we'll get into some earnings plays that I've been looking at for this week. Just gonna let little people join in and hop into it. Hope everyone had a great weekend though. All right, we'll hop into it. All right, so first we're gonna start off with SPY. Let's go to SPY real quick. Pull this up on the big screen, starting the 4-hour. I like to start on the 4-hour and daily. But all right, first key level I have for SPY on this 4-hour chart is this little rectangle zone right here. As you can see, this rectangle zone. Okay. So which we just approached. So I have 498 to 497.20. Okay. Where did I get this zone from? All right. So if I just delete this zone and I just pull up this rectangle, and if I take all these candles right here, you see this top wick and this candle open and this candle bottom wick, and then we're gonna get this red candle wick right here, right? But the fact, we'll start at this red candle wick. Then we're gonna drag it down to here, boom. So we got a little bit of everything, right? Actually, just want to bring it down just a little bit more. So we're gonna start this red candle wick right here, this red candle. If y'all can't see it, no, hold on. I'll delete this little speedway line that's in the way. We're gonna start this red candle right here. I'm gonna bring it down to like right here. All right, so this is my zone right here that I'm gonna be watching for tomorrow to see if we hold the zone. Why? Because as you can see right here on the 4-hour chart. We go down to the 1 hour just to break it down. You can see that this was a little consolidation for 2 days. We was consolidating in between the zone, high, low. We just kept going back and forth, right? And then once we broke above the zone, you can see how we came down, did a retest, and we held it, and we went higher to 503, right? So we pushed to make new highs off of this level. after breaking this level and retesting from the same exact level, right? So this is my level I like. This is the level right here, right? As you can see, when we lost this level, we came down here to our 490 level down here, and once we came back to hit this level, we got the um re- first sign of reversal right here because we came down right and we didn't make a lower low or anything. We just made a first lower high. Sorry, higher low, right? And then we came up, well, higher high. Then we retraced right here, right? Then we came up, then we make a higher high, then we make the double top right here, right? Got rejected, and now I'm looking at lower highs and lower lows patterns to play out back down to 490, and that's the key level support, the 490 level, right? Because that's the previous low. So this 490 level is the key level right here. So this zone, this first zone, right, that we're talking about right here, this red zone, this is going to help me determine, okay, if we stay below this level, I like 490 next. I like this 490 level next, right? So that's what I have for SPY. So this 498, either we're going to get a bounce here. I'm expecting the bounce to hold this trend line right here. As you can see, we just zoom out a little bit. You can just see like we just been bouncing, right? And creeping up. So we hold this rectangle zone. I'm expecting to come up, make a new higher high, right? To continue this pattern. Not if we come down and get like a fake out situation where we come down, right? And we get like a wick, and like say we wick back up and we close it back above the zone. Cool. We still holding. So now the safe entry just to be above the zone, right? Just above 498. Hold above the zone, then I'll catch it. So same thing. If we do get a fake out situation, so watch out for that, because that can happen. All right, but that's why like for spot of week, I think we just retracing. We're not really getting no I don't think we get a big drop unless Nvidia have bad earnings. If Nvidia can drag the markets, bring the markets down, the earnings is Wednesday. But right now, I just think we'll stay put until Nvidia's earning. So that's really like the key thing I'm really watching is Nvidia earnings, which I will go over. All right, but yeah, that's what I have for SPY, y'all. It's exactly what I have for SPY. This little rectangle zone. This is what's going to help me determine. All right, cool. We about to come down here to our next level. Hold this level, boom. I'm expecting higher high, right? So just watch out for the trend. So let's go to SPX. What's good? What's good, fam? Let's get it. All right, SPX. SPX gonna be kind of the same, all right, because they move very the same. So basically, if you use SPY or trade SPY without your extended hours on, it's basically gonna be like this exact same because SPX don't have extended hours, right? So the 4 hour gonna be slightly different. Still same thing. All right, we can move the draws. Actually, start a fresh chart real quick. All right, get the trend line. Let's see. Excuse me. Excuse me. My fault. And for the lows, I would have something like this, like just a raw range. SPX been picking up lately. Like we've been getting some nice moves on SPX, some nice ranges. So it's definitely looking good for SPX, like on a day-to-day basis. Like you can get definitely a nice far out the money strike and make some money. And remember, SPY and SPX, they don't really cost that much for if you get 0-day expiration. But SPX, I'm expecting the same thing, right? We had previous lows right here, so we're just gonna draw a line right here. Previous lows, right? That 4919 level right there. That's previous. That's previous. All right. Same thing for SPY. We got the first. We got the lower high. Right. We didn't make a higher high. We didn't make a double top. Right. We didn't even do that. We didn't make a double top. SPY didn't make a double top either. It didn't make a higher high. SPY didn't make a higher high either. We got the lower high. Right. So a lower high equals a lower low, right? So let's see what's next. Will we make a lower low? Will we make a double top? Double bottom, or we make a higher low? Only three things that we're looking for, right? Make this higher low. We got the higher low level right here. We should hold this level. If we make a double bottom, boom, we got 4919. If we want to make a lower low, all right, boom, we got previous lows right here, right? So break it down. And the only reason why I say that is because this whole entire uptrend, if you just look at SPX, this whole entire uptrend that started in October, right? If you look at all the highs, right? Besides we got a little double tops and triple tops. We got a double top right here. Then we made a triple top. But look at the lows. It's still holding, right? Still holding, right? Look at this. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. This is the first lower high that we got since October on SPX. On a bigger time frame. I'm pretty sure we got it. You probably see it on 1 hour, 15 hour, right? But as I just showed y'all on the 4-hour chart since October, right here, since October, SPX made the first lower high right here. This is the first lower high. I'm not saying that we're about to drop and it's about to be crazy. I'm just saying what the signs to look for next, which is three things: a higher low, right? So if it's going to be a higher low, it should hit here and like bounce off of here. I'm not saying exactly right there. That's just one of my predictions, right? It can be a little lower. It's not going to be perfect, right? So that's what to look out for. Or we'll make a double bottom, right? And then boom, right? If we don't make that lower high, right, a double bottom or a lower low, and then we'll come like that, then come up, test this level, right, and then like that, right? Three things to look out for, but watch out for this because remember how I have a saying: if you don't know, don't like wait to see how it reacts. You don't gotta chase it. You don't gotta catch the small move down, right? So we go to an example. So say if the retrace right here, you don't gotta catch the small move down, right? Wait to see how it reacts so you can catch a bigger move up, right? Same thing over here. Oh, it made this double top. Cool. So instead of thinking, oh, we're about to reverse, right? Just see how it reacts. You see how it reacts. We didn't fall or anything like that. We actually held this green bullish engulfing candle, right? So see how it reacts so you can catch a bigger move. Forget catching the small move from 4790 to 468084. That's a big ass move, right? But if you just be patient, because some people don't know how to catch this, then they try to catch it every single time. But if you just be patient, learn how to catch the bottoms like this, you can catch a bigger move. Forget that $100 move. This thing just ran $400, right? So wait to see how it reacts so you can catch a bigger move. All right. Ain't gonna spend too much time on it. It's really the same. SPY. Anyone have any questions? Make sure y'all put that y'all that thumbs up in the chat, man. Make sure everybody liking here. Let's get it. All right. So let's go to NVIDIA, which I've been waiting for. Which I will be. I'm not gonna lie. We about to reset the charts. Ooh, let me see if I want to reset these. Yeah, all right, we can reset this one. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Let's get it. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna talk about NVIDIA real quick. NVIDIA. This thing about to go to 1,000 end of year? What y'all think? We can hit 1,000 before end of year for real. What y'all think? I don't know. Last year, March. If y'all look at I'm meant to go over this too. We gonna go back over it. But last year in March, we came into March, right? Markets started trading sideways. We literally consolidated 9 days when we first came into March, like the last week of February coming to the March, right? So NVIDIA, this is a stock that's going to determine, okay, if it's good earnings, all right, I think the market's about to continue to run. Like this going to keep rallying the markets, right? If bad earnings, all right, now it's about to be time to go make that dip. and we going and that dip on SPY and SPX. That could be the time that we gonna make that fake out of that little trend pushing up. All right. So the video. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Not even gonna mind you, that look like we got a little consolidation. We got a little choppiness right here. I don't know, y'all. I was bullish on the video. I was. Hold on. I was bullish on the video. Now it's like I think what I'll do from the video, right? Because y'all can see what consolidation is like. We about to pop out to the upside and run, or we about to pop out to the downside, right? So I think what the video I'll do, I think it's either going to be an IV crush if we don't get a push, right? I doubt it, but I think I'll hedge on this type of situation and just put more money in on the one you like the most. But this type of situation, I don't know. I think I like puts on this because everyone was expecting calls. Everybody expecting calls. Everybody. So it's like, all right, if everybody playing calls, shit, we might do the fucking opposite and fall. All right, we got the hold on. I had to put the little zone right here. Boom, and of course we got the little fake out right here when it broke below 711. 711, we came to 496. Right, so we're just going to extend this to the right just a little bit longer, like this. But I'm gonna say be careful though. Be careful. Don't chase. Don't do anything that you can't afford. Don't if you ain't even hit your goal last week, last month, or if you're not hitting your target, your goals, don't even think about trading earnings play from the video. Contracts are already going to be priced up unless you get a far out the money. All right, but just be careful. But all right, the video we got the consolidation. We just literally consolidating back and forth. Right, we got 746, 745. We got the 711, the 7. I swear it was 711. All right, now I'm on a 1-hour chart, so we're just going to drag this down just a little bit, like that. Boom. All right, 707 to this 745. So basically like $40 rectangle zone right here that we're in, right? We can't break the 740 level. We've seen it all last week. We did not break this 740 and stay above it. As you can see, if I zoom in real quick, this is when the market was closed. Yes, we broke above 740, but Friday, once the market actually opened, we didn't break above 740. Same for Thursday, when the market actually opened, we did not break above 740. Wednesday, we broke above. I think we broke 7. Yeah, we hit 742, but we didn't stay above. You see the close all the way down here at 730. Right, we didn't stay above. Tuesday and Monday, right? You can see this literally. We is not staying above 740. We hit like 740 is keep bringing us down, and still we have yet to come to the 707 levels, right? Which tomorrow looking like we can finally get that push down here until Monday, Tuesday, look like we can fall all the way down here to 705, 707. So we come down here and break out of the zone, come down here and probably to make like a double bottom or something like this. Anywhere testing this green candle right here, all right, this is where I want to play for my first call position. Right? You buy at the low, you sell at the high. You don't buy at the high, and you don't buy at the high, right? Say you would have bought calls in right here at the high. You're like, oh, it's at the high. Well, all right, well, no. That's a bad example because you didn't know the high that was there then, right? Say if, all right, after this drop right here, we made the high on a strictly Monday. Then that Tuesday, we made the low. So we set the tone for the week. So you see Wednesday, we came above and we came towards 740. You see Monday, it dropped at 742, 744. So you going to enter closer to a level that it dropped at for calls? Or would you enter closer to a level that it ran at, right? So if it come down here, I will load up my first position for calls for my play, right? So I like it down here to the 707 to the 696 level. And the way how the is looking, we can definitely open up and just come down with that red candle. I believe the futures already started to fall as well, like a couple dollars. But just looking at this, I think it's time. All right. So calls down here and say we do break above 740. If we break above 740 and we running and we running above previous last week, like Monday's high, which is 746, it says. If we breaking above the zone running, we at 750, 755, 760, then I would say just be patient because tomorrow is Monday, but I doubt that. I don't know. The video is crazy. We could, right? But above here, before earnings, I like puts. Literally. I think we'll get a drop, right? Be right to crush the people out, whatever like that. But we above 745 and we don't come down, because there's possible that we can come down here and bounce off of here and then run. So if that happens, yes, I like calls. But if we don't come to support first and we just keep staying away from support, like how we are since last Tuesday, we just keep pushing up. We hit the resistance level 740. But every time we push down, we're not coming to support. We're not coming to support. We just keep holding up, keep holding up, keep holding up. So we just keep pushing up without hope, without coming to support. I like puts. But I'm looking for entry. I believe the earnings is Wednesday at like 4:30 when the market's closed, or for after the market's closed. So I'll be looking for entry Tuesday, Wednesday. If I can't find an entry Tuesday to Wednesday, but tomorrow I'm really gonna be observing this just to see what it look like and see what it's doing in the price action. But that's something I want to see how it plays out. I want to see like if we're going to keep pushing to 740 or higher without even hitting support, or will we come to support first and then push up, right? So I want to see how it reacts because we, as you can see, we just consolidating ever since making the high and low, right? So we're gonna see. But I'm telling y'all, after earnings though, if they got good earnings, I like the markets to keep running. SPY holding above 500 and Nvidia's got good earnings. Oh yeah, I like calls. SPY below that 500 and Nvidia bad earnings. All right, I'm liking puts. All right. Drop some stocks in the comment below. Y'all have any stocks you want me to look at? Also, I'm about to look at AMD, but y'all can go ahead and start dropping some stocks. But wait, it's not AMD. It's I got stock for y'all. Baba. I like Baba. Alibaba look good, right? So Alibaba, see this little inverted head and shoulders right here. All right, we got the left shoulder right here. We got the head. We got the right shoulder, right? And we came down, and when we made this right shoulder, as you can see, all right, go and get the rectangle zone. We made a gap. We made a gap from here to here, right? We made a gap when we made this right shoulder from here, from 68 to 72, right? But we filled it halfway. We literally filled it halfway. So we filled it halfway and held above it. Came down, filled the gap halfway. People was probably playing push. Oh, we about to fill the gap. We about to fill the gap. Oh, we never filled that gap. Got the head clapped, right? Hold above that gap fill. Now I think we're about to push up to see the 100% move, right? 100% move is what started it. What started this leg, right? As you can look to the left. I said late shoulder. What started this, as you can see, what made this left shoulder? All this right here, literally all this right here, right? So previous highs, take profit. This gap right here, got a gap at 80 to 86. Yep, got a gap from 80 to 86. So I'm liking more upside activity back for this one, back to 80 to 86 right here for Baba. So watch out for this level right here. Watch out for the stock. Okay. Also have Shopify. I'm not gonna lie, Shopify look bearish. As you can see, it's like kind of like it's doing a retest. All right. We made this gap right here. I guess bad earnings, right? And made this gap from 89 or 88 all the way down to 83. And now we're basically coming back up. Retested 83, actually broke with the 84. And then Friday we stayed below 84, that previous high. And then we had below this gap level that started at 83. So we're staying below this level right here. So I'm liking Shopify puts. I like puts on this. This thing look bearish. We made a gap. We got it's basically a gap. Look at this base, like a big ass red candle. And then we just came up and retested it. And then we hold below it. Oh yeah, I think we about to fall lower. So of course, previous lows always take profit one, but 76, that's the gap level that where it fell to the lowest. So I got this 76. You can even get freaky with it, get the rectangle zone, grab this candle close and grab the wicks right here and do like a low zone like that. All right. So you got the first take profit zone from 77 to 75, this little rectangle zone right here, right? So that's why I like for Shopify. It's looking bearish. And we go to the 4-hour chart. You can see it clear. All right. I was like kind of making like a head and shoulders, right? Got the head, like the left shoulder, right shoulder. But I'm kind of looking like, damn, what started this? I'll be like, damn, this. So you telling me this started this? So that's a big ass drop back to 40. I'm like, no, that's not a head and shoulders. I can't really see, like, but this is the first target back to the 77 to 75, and it's at $80 right now for Shopify. But I like Shopify puts. Definitely looking bearish for this one. And I have one more for y'all. Let's go. Let me go. I forgot. I'm gonna go to my notes real quick. Bank of America and Wells Fargo. They look like they about to run. Bank of America. All right, Bank of America. All right, Bank of America. This thing like about to run, yo. Look at this thing. This is looking like it's about to run. Look at that. I got the head. You call this whatever you want. Then we got the right shoulder. Boom. I think this thing. At the end we got a gap right here for. Hold on. I think we have a gap. Is it a gap or just the other one? Yeah, that's. Hold on. I'll go to 4-hour chart. Let's see. All right, no gap. I'm making sure. A little small gap right there, 38. I'm looking like. All right. Yeah. So Big America, this look like it's gonna run. Got this low previous highs right here, 35, but we can break the 35 off of this higher low that we just made right here. So where's my trend line? As you can see, it made a higher low right here. So as you can see, like literally higher low, and we got this little rectangle zone right here. All right. So as you can see, remember this is a 4-hour chart, so every candle is 4 hours. So 4, 8, 12, 16, right? So after the first four candles hours after this green candle, we consolidate, and then we broke out of it, fell all the way down, and then bounced back and closed above the zone. So I'm liking calls on this. I think we could come to 35. Of course, previous highs is always, take profit or resistance, right? And then, but if we break all this, I have 38. I think this thing can come back to 38 for Bank of America. All right, so that's what I like for Bank of America, just to see how this play out. So the first zone right here, break above here, we can come to here 35. Then above 35, I like to 38. Hold 35, then puts, obviously, right? That's what I have for Bank of America, and same thing for Wells Fargo. Go to Wells Fargo daily for it kind of look like the same as that, But for Wells Fargo, I have about this 52.32. And same thing, got this head, got this right shoulder, and a little left shoulder. All right. So I'm liking this as well for calls. That's something I'll be looking at for this week for Wells Fargo and what is it called, Bank of America. All right, let's see what stocks y'all got. Let's see. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up, man. Everybody let's get it. Luke was good. Wassup been black was good. All right, we got the video. Oh yeah, did I look at the video already? I don't know. Did I? Let me see. Oh yeah, I did because I reset my charts. I remember. All right, cool. All right, we got the video out the way. Intel, SMCI, CLSK, SQ, gotcha. Tesla, IWM. Tesla, go to Tesla real quick. All right, so Tesla. Tesla Dong. Damn, I did not mean to do that. All right, Tesla. All right, so this what happened for Tesla, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see how this play out. If we can hold this 190 level, I believe it's 190. I went over Shopify already. I went over Shopify already. I like puts on Shopify, but I definitely went over Shop. All right, I just want to see. I think Tesla good. Luke, you come on, man. I think we good. Look at the last setup. We got the inverted head and shoulders, right? And then we ran to make the next lower high. So I think we're doing the same thing. Inverted head and shoulders to run to make the next lower high. I think 250. I have 215 and 217, or that's 220 or 221. So I got this one right here. Is that a double top right there on Tesla? Um, Not quite sure where. I don't really see it unless you call these two candles. If that's what you consider a double top, I'm not sure, but I like to see a double top, like something like this. You see how this 194 and this 194, even though I'm a little higher, hold below that. I'm gonna consider that double top. That's a level that both came to and got rejected. So below that, I'm gonna consider double top. But when I look right here and look to the left, we got a big ass red candle, but that was from up here, so I wouldn't consider the double top. I don't really see it right there. But so Tesla, I think we good. I think we'll come down, as long as we continue to hold this trend. Higher low, which is like I said, I believe 190 I have. I remember that. 180, it's 188, 189 right here. But I think we good. I think this we got everything, all the signs is good for Tesla. We got the bullish divergent and we got the inverted head and shoulders, and then we start running, and now this can just be a retest. I have 194 support this previous level, and then below this 194, 190 could be a fake out, like a little wick, and then we come back up and push through. So that's what I have for Tesla. But until it start making, if we break this first previous low, like we come below this 182 level, then we made that lower high right here on the daily, right? We're going to daily. We made this lower high. If we lose that first low right here, this lower high is being respected. And that means we can come down, make a lower low, and come down to our 167, which he didn't hit since May of 2023. Last year, well, April to May. But we'll see. That's what I have for Tesla. Someone said SQ. Got Tesla going for that. Get that. Yeah, actually, I have it. I think mine's at 206. I think it's at 206. Or mine says it's 206 with that one right there. Yeah, 206.77. But we didn't feel it. That's the thing. That's another thing too. We came to 205. We did. Wait, it say high 203. I'm tripping. We came to 203. So we didn't feel it yet. I swear we came to 205. No, 204.55. That was the high pre-market. Oh no, 204. Right, there we go, right there. There we go, right there. I knew I wasn't tripping. I'm watching Tesla. Hey, you say 205.40. I'm watching this thing to like a hawk eyes on this one. But yes, we didn't even for the gap. All right, let's look at XQ real quick. Ooh, consolidation, choppy. This thing, This thing about to run. It look like, she. This can be a whole cup of handle. Cup. Then we consolidate, make that handle. I'm gonna just do it like this. I'm gonna just take the gap. Let's see. Did we feel that gap? Let's see. Did we feel it? Ooh, we did feel it. We did feel it. All right, that's cool. Take that gap. Mm. It's looking like it can run, but I'm not gonna lie, it's just consolidating. So it's really just above or below because this thing was consolidating. We came into this for almost for a year since January 3rd. So it's January 3rd and what's tomorrow? February what? It's 20th. I'm telling what's for tomorrow. Tomorrow my son's birthday, man. Yeah, I got this this rectangle zone right here. So 71 previous highs, and this previous low right here 62. You could definitely run though because on a bigger time frame, like look at this run. This run is crazy. Like this is ridiculous. Like damn, 39. I just said $30. Now look at that thing. It's just been running, 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 running. Boom. We got the markup. Boom. Got the mark. Yeah, I think this could be setting up for a run, but just take it safe with these previous lows right here. But let's see if we can make this higher low, start building up momentum to start breaking out. Because if we do make a higher low, that's the first higher low from the double bottom that was created right here. But we'll see, just keep an eye on this above, always above previous highs. It could be a safe entry, or you can sell here if you enter it at 65, whatever, anywhere below. Look like anywhere below 63 to 62 is a good buying opportunity. So like from here to here, like a good buy opportunity. But above the 71, I like calls, and below this 60, this support like puts. But right now, this can be accumulation and just building up to for another run. This can be building up momentum just for a push. That makes sense. And we got that gap right there. I think right here on the daily. Yep, at 77 to 75. All right, we're gonna look at like two more. I got somebody drop some stocks. Was good. Was good. PLTR. Is that Peloton? Or that's the other one. That's not Peloton. Peloton is PTON. I'm all the way up. Oh, this thing ran. Oh, I remember this. Definitely remember this. Hold on. And that thing got history too. Oh yeah, go to the weekly. Where my stocks go? Oh, ooh, all right, that's too far. Let's go to the monthly then. Can't see nothing. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. I'm just gonna take these right here. Ooh, there we go. All right, there we go. And above there, it go another $2 to 29. Damn, really? They don't move that much. That's what happened for Peloton though. We didn't even come to. Oh, we creeping. We creeping. We creeping right to that level. And I just drew this off the monthly, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Boom, hit this zone. Fell. Hit this zone again. Fell. Boom. Lost it again. Fell. Lost it again. Fell. Boom. So it looks like it's coming right back to resistance. It's at 24. So it looks like it's about to come back to this level, which we keep falling at this level every time. And we broke out one time with the 29. So that's what I have for PLTR. We didn't come to resistance yet. We just filled this little gap right here. We did. We just filled this gap right here. This little gap at 23. Hold on. That thing never filled that gap till just now with that earnings. Let me see. Yeah, we just did. We just filled that little gap right there at 23, and we got another little gap We got another little gap. Ooh, look at that gap. We got another little gap right here. We're just gonna go like that to there. Yes, sir. We'll go to the settings real quick. I put on the extender right like that. Yes, sir. So we got another gap right there. So we didn't come to resistance yet. So I think we're coming to resistance. That's for PLTR. I think we come to resistance. So that's what I have for that. SMCI. Everybody want to talk about this hype stock that fell $200. That thing said it falls $200 and still up 150%. It fell crazy and it's still up. That's the crazy part. It fell crazy and it's still up. Just in January, this thing was at $300. Came all be up. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know the news behind the stock. I gotta look into this because this thing been going crazy. But to me, this is just a retrace. I don't know. I don't $200 drop in a day is not normal. Not not at least, but this stock don't look like it's normal. Look at this thing. This thing just ran from 300 all the way to 1,000 in less than a month. This is January 17th. Tomorrow is today's the 19th. So you're telling me at 1 month ago it was at $300 and then ran all the way up to 1,082. Yeah. So this to me, all it seems like this can be a retrace and we about to set up for another run. I'm not gonna lie. $200 in a day, that is crazy. That thought is crazy. But this thing could be setting up for another run. So just be careful. Just be careful. I'm not gonna lie, because I've been watching this stock. Shoot. Let that thing come back above this 862 level. Shit, I just came up with that too. I literally just came up with that. Let that thing come back above it. Hold on, let me fix that. That 865. Let that thing come back above the 865. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to get some of that. But just be careful on this. Just be careful. I know you're probably thinking puts or whatever, but to me, the way how my mind works is if it's an uptrend, it has to fall. That's how my mind works. It has to fall. That's just a big ass fall. So I'll be careful. I'll definitely be careful. I'm not trading this thing. So be careful. But to me, the way how my mind works, uptrend have to fall. It gotta drop so it can retrace to build up to make momentum to run and make a higher high. It has to fall so it can gain more momentum to run and make a higher high. It gotta fall to wipe some money out so it can, wipe money out and come back. So, but this seemed like a situation where I don't know. I got to do research. It could have been a freaking a freaking hedge fund freaking shorting this thing just because everyone's dumping and dumping and dumping it. It could have been a situation like that. All right, but yeah, just be cautious. Yeah, that 700 level look good too. I see that. All them candles right there. We got like a couple candles right here around the 7. Right, let's see. Yeah, like a good John. This little rectangle zone. That's what I have. This little rectangle zone. Actually, you can do it better now since we are going from here to here. Yeah. Weekly candles look terrible. Let's see. Yeah, that thing do. That thing, oh shit, damn. Yeah. The thing like about them, hey, be careful. A stock like this, it falls fast. I mean, it runs the same way it runs, the same way it falls. You see, it fell $200 in a day. And the same way how it fell, that's the same way how I can run. So we can run tomorrow $50, $60, $70, and y'all got them puts. but that thing ran $80 tomorrow. And that $80 was retraced from the $200 drop. You get what I'm saying? So be careful. I just know I'm not trading this thing. Be careful. I'm sticking to me being disciplined. Stick to the script. I'll observe and everything. But if it's a situation where my people in my chat telling me like how Friday was, oh yeah, I'll give me a little chop change real quick. But be careful, y'all, because the move already happened. I'm not saying that it's not gonna keep falling, but the move happened. 9 out of 10, this thing gonna retrace. It might retrace, like I said, it might come to this 865 level, $65 retrace, and then fall back to 700. Then it might retrace $100. A stock like this is very volatile, so watch out on your entries. You can get your head cracked. That's what I'm trying to say. If you just seen this thing for $200 in a day, it can run $200 in a day. That's all I'm saying. Shit. Be careful though, man. Weekly definitely look bearish. Weekly definitely look bearish. But yeah, exactly. But I'm not gonna lie though. Yeah, just be careful, y'all. Definitely be careful. I will. Hey, I got a video for y'all. If y'all ain't watched my video on how to find an average, go watch that video. I would do that method right now in this stock. That's what I would do. Go watch that video. If you did not watch that video on my YouTube channel, go how to find the average of a candle. Go watch that video and find the average of this candle so you can know if we stay below a certain level. If we stay below a certain percentage of this level, that means more downside activity. If we stay above a certain percentage of this candle, upside activity. Go watch that video. For real. But other than that, man, we gonna be live on Friday, man. Every Friday we gonna be live on YouTube for live day trading. Make sure y'all hit the link that's pinned. Well, it's not pinned. Oh shit, I meant to pin it. Damn. Make sure my Telegram chat is in the messages. Free Telegram chat where I send out my alerts Monday through Friday. And I'm live every Friday. That's just my free chat to stay connected with me. We got books in there. It's a live community free chat. Y'all can talk about stocks all y'all want in there. But we're gonna be live every Friday. So make sure y'all tap in. And I'll see everyone on Friday. So don't be greedy. Be safe this week. Watch out for SPY. Watch out for SPX. Watch out for NVIDIA. Watch out for the volatility. All right? Watch out for everything. Don't be too greedy. Be safe, man. Hopefully everyone have a great weekend. Man, everyone will have a great weekend. Fuck that. Everyone will have a great weekend this week. We all gonna make some money. Man, let's get it. We got summer, I was about to say summertime. We got spring coming up. It's about to start getting, wherever, depending where you live, it might already be hot. But where I live over here in PA, man, it ain't that hot yet. So we excited about getting some more weather. We waiting. So if you already, living that nice 60 to 70 degrees, cool for you. Cool, right? Well, if you over here like me suffering the 30 degrees, right? Keep getting snow two times a week. I mean, like confused as a mug, right? Man, we looking forward to, springtime, summertime. So we gonna, stay down till you come up. In the cold, just keep stacking that bread. Summertime, go ahead and spend that bread. Take family trips, whatever you do. Whatever you do, man. But everyone have a great weekend, man. I'll see y'all. For those in the Discord, I'll see everyone that's tomorrow. We live Monday through Friday, man. Make sure y'all tap in. Let's get it.